welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Now this, I'm still in Hooverlux's house, as you can tell, and this is his customised Hoover Senior 652A from 60s, we think. Maybe 50, late 50s, but on the serial number it looks like it's 60s. So what he's done is he's painted a very nice green on the handle and the hood, but as you can tell, this originally was the reconditioned grey and white one, similar to my Hoover Junior 1334, which was a red rose originally, but in the, I don't know what date it got sent back, couldn't have any Hoover logos put on them, and got reconditioned with the grey dreary livery. So, and this is what this was. So we're gonna give it a go and see what it can do. I'm going to buy one. I am buying a Hoover Senior 652A. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, I hope you've liked the video for YouTubers. This is Hooverlux's Hoover Senior 652A. Hope you've enjoyed the video. So remember to like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.